Jump in the lights. Jump in the lights. Right, so that's the wrong way down the one-way street, and now she's on the pavement. Another one cycling on the pavement. Ah, too late. Oh, jump in the lights. Another one jump in the lights. On the wrong side of the road, you fool. Oh, he's jumped the lights there. Jump in the lights. Jump in the lights. Scum. Wrong way down a one-way street. Jump in the lights! Jump in the lights with a kid on board as well. That's pretty scummy. Cycling on the pavement there. Play with a phone at the same time. There's one cycling on the pavement there. Cycling on the pavement there. Another scumbag on the pavement. Another scumbag cycling on the pavement. And there's another idiot going the wrong way up a one-way street. Jump in the lights, jump in the lights, jump in the lights. All the scum, jump in the lights. Yeah, cycling on the pavement. There's one who can't tell left from right. And there's a twat cycling on the pavement there. And there's one on the pavement. Another one there, cycling on the pavement. Or swigging from a bottle of beer. Dickhead. Oh, jump in the lights. Jump in the lights. What the hell? Fucking idiot. Fucking idiot. Comes up on the inside and then tries to right up the traffic. Gawless prick. Jump in the lights. There's one on the pavement there. Bloody hell, I don't know where to start with that one. Show me the lights! And there's one on the pavement. Oh, he's figured out what the road's for. Well done. That one's on the wrong side of the road.